Today we can study the important formulas of coordinate geometry. The first one, the distance between 2 points, that is Px1 y1 and Qx2 y2, is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That means if here is a line PQ, the coordinates of P and Q are given. P is x1 y1 and Q is x2 y2. Then the distance between these 2 points is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. Then the second formula, the distance of a point Pxy from origin. Okay. Origin means the coordinate is 0, 0. Okay. So the distance between Pxy and 0, 0, that is square root of x square plus y square. ഇവിടെ x1, y1, 0, 0 ആയി. So we can see the formula is x square plus square root of x square plus y square. Then the third formula, the coordinates of the point Pxy, which divides the line segment joining the points Ax1, y1 and Bx2, y2 internally in the ratio m1 is to m2r. The formula is this one. This formula is known as section formula. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. That means then here we have a straight line. The endpoints are A and B. The coordinate of A is x1 y1 and the coordinate of B is x2 y2. Then a point P is in between this AB. Then the coordinate of P is xy and P divides the line segment in the ratio m1 is to m2. That means the distance from A to P we can take as m1 and the second P to B, that is m2. So the ratio is m1 is to m2. So we can find the coordinate of this P. We can find by using this formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay. Now the last formula, the midpoint of line segment joining the points P and Q is, okay, here the endpoints are P and Q. P is x1 y1 and Q is x2 y2. Okay. Then the midpoint of PQ, then the coordinate of this point, suppose it is x and y, we can take as that x is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y is y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay. Now these are the important formulas from coordinate geometry. Okay. So study all these formulas as well.